So here we will learn about Laravel migration. So let's suppose we have to add a new database table. Uh, Suppose we have a member database. Okay. So to create that, um, we also need model table and we also need controller along with them. So we will create all of them together. So to do that, open terminal and type php artisan make model. Model name will be member and we will create migration controller. And if you want to create resource controller, type R after C. So it will create resource controller. Or if you only type C, it will create. If you type only C, it will create controller. So type R. We want a resource controller. So type R and press enter. So now a migration is created in database migration. You can check we have a member uh, table schema is here. Now we will add some columns in our table. So let's suppose member name, member phone, address, pin code, and now migrate it. So we will type php artisan migrate here. So members table is migrated. As you can see in example DB, we have members table here and we have ID, name, phone, address, pin code created it, updated it. Now suppose you want to remove, and also we have a model created here in app model. We will have member model here. Now suppose you want to add, you forget to add one more column and you want to add it. So to do that, again create a migration. So PHP artisan make migration add active add status column to members table. Now press enter and we have one more column here. So we will add. So we will add a boolean column named active here. And also now what happened when we create table, so it drop all the table when we roll back. So to do that, so But if we are adding a single column, so we need to remove. So if we are adding a column only, not creating a table, so we need to remove that table along with this. So we need to use this drop column. So table inside down function write table drop column active. So it will remove if we roll back. So no error will be generated. So now migrate again. So it's migrated and in her table here you can refresh and see active is added. Now suppose you have did something wrong, means you want to change it, you don't want to keep it active, you want it to name as status. So to do that, first roll back your migration. So php artisan, php artisan migrate rollback. So now check in your database, it's rollback. Now change it to status and again migrate it. So we have now a status column here. Suppose you want to remove a column from database. So create another migration, name it remove status column to members table. Now we have another migration here. So here what we will do, we will drop table drop status, and this is up function. So in down you have to add this status again. So otherwise you will get error. If you again run all the migration, if when you need, you will get error. So to to escape that error, you need to add a table create boolean status in down. So what will happen if we again migrate? You can see we have migrated here. So if you so I have something error here. So it's all deleted here. So to handle this situation, what we have to do, go to your data table, migrations, at the last, we will remove all the migration member related tables. So this one, and this one, just remove this, and again, here we will, here I forget drop column. So now PHP artisan migrate. So what will happen? You can see we have members here again, and in this we have status column removed, and uh, we can handle errors like that. So in migration, if you had done something wrong, so you can just remove that uh, that migrations, and you can put again migration here, so it will not generate issue for you.